Alright everyone, so today I'll be using my new One Tigress Backwoods Bungalow 2.0. I've already got the One Tigress tarp up. You would have seen that on the last trip. Held up really well. I need to do some adjustment, but just for now I'm just going to get the shelter set up because it might take some time. It's my first time putting it up. So yeah, we'll get cracking. Right, so this tent uses hiking poles, but I've just got a stick here which I've snapped to length, and then that'll just peg down there. It'd be a lot easier if I had proper hiking poles. It'll be up already. Having to find the stick and cut it and everything, that's easy enough here. Takes a bit of time. Okay. Zip on this. There we go. Okay. perfect. I just need a peg. Yeah. It's actually quite a cool feature having these little bits that come out. Right. First time in the new One Tigress tent. That roll up, awesome. It's a big door to roll up though. One side at a time. That might be the way to do it, I think. There we go. Check it out. I've still got to string the back up. This will pull out. That'll give me a bit more extra room. Oh. Far out, what a cool setup. I love the colour. Everything's natural. It's called Coyote Brown, this colour. This is going to be roomy enough. I actually thought it might have been a bit too small, but got heaps of leg room. Still got room to go. All the back's tied out. It's a really nice tent. It is so hot. Sweating. Gonna get all the bedding done, air mattress, sleeping bag, get my pack in there and then set up my chair and table. Then we'll go for a wander, have a look down at the ponds. Using my lightweight setup again. Got the Bushbuck Cumulus Light air mattress, and I have the Nature Hike Snowbird 2 sleeping bag, rated at 2 degrees. There's a duck down bag as well. This is such a cool setup, man. A little bit of work setting it up, but if I had trekking poles, it'd be a lot easier. I must say I did enjoy sourcing the sticks for the uprights. It was fun. Fortunately there's plenty of water around here. Set up my chair, have a drink, and then might go for a bit of a wander. There's some big ponds you would have seen in my last video. Some big ponds down here behind me, so go have a look at those. It is raining. It's just sort of a drizzle at the moment, so not too bad. Beverage. Tonight's beverage, I got 2 of these Garage Project breweries. This one's called Happy Days. Had it on my channel before, my previous camps. One of my favourites. Leave that over there for later. Probably be shaken up now. Oh. Oh, I'm pretty happy with the setup. I'll show you it from the outside now so you can get a better perspective of it. There we go, it's the Backwoods Bungalow 2.0 from One Tigress. I've also got the One Tigress 3x4 metre tarp. This little shelter's awesome. Got a big fly screen in there, I got that rolled up. It's got this big tarp window that actually provides quite a bit of cover out the front of it, but not enough for my chair and my cooker unfortunately, but it's all good. That's what the tarp's for. And got it strung out at the back against this tree here, just opens it up. Bottom bits have pegs as well to flare it out. It's a really good setup, and just for the front I just found some sticks and yeah, pretty basic. You can see what's happening there. But a very cool setup. Excited to see how it performs in the rain later. I've got the back of the shelter tent exposed, so it'll be interesting. Awesome, I can fit underneath this. Awesome. Oh, what a great setup. As you might be able to hear, it's just spitting, sort of drizzling rain, but pretty consistent. Gonna put my rain jacket on, go for a walk down to the ponds, get some shots of the rain hitting the water and see if we can see any frogs or anything. Normally quite a lot of them down there. This water is off the tap as well. Tastes alright. Tap's already had rain on it, so it's washed off any products from the factory. Saves me bringing water in though. Very cool. I haven't quite worked out yet whether when it's time for me to crash out later, whether I lay the bug screen down and just leave it at that. The other option is to just pop the pegs and lay these stick uprights down, and that'll close this window over. Might be the best option just in case there's a bit of wind with the rain in the night. It's meant to get pretty windy. 30-35 knots or something. I better show you what's for dinner actually, shouldn't I? Something I haven't tried before. Real simple dinner. This box is a bit damaged, but you'll get the picture. From Hellers, a New Zealand company. Meatballs and sauce. All I gotta do is heat that up, and that's it. Heat it up in my pot. Tonight I'll be using my alcohol stove, my favourite little stove. And yeah, that's on the menu, along with the Garage Project Brewery's Happy Days drink. I'm going to put a new battery in the camera, put the batteries on charge, and we'll go for a walk down to the pond. What do you reckon? See if I can get some nice shots of the rain hitting the water, or any animal activity down there. And we'll come back and get dinner going, I think. Oh, there's a deer. There's a deer down there. See that deer down the bottom? He's just crossing over now. He's running down the track. Here he goes. Camping in the rain, everyone. It's not very heavy at the minute, but it should increase. It's starting to pull. I've just made some adjustments to the tarp. Hopefully it will stop it. And I just went down to the pond. I saw the deer again. It was down the bush. I heard some noises, so I went down and sure enough, he bolted out through the other paddocks. And got some nice shots of the pond down there as well. Nice shots of the rain hitting the water. Saw some swans down there as well, some babies. Lots of wildlife in this area. It's good. I'm going to have to fill this up again off the tarp. bit of rainwater just to sterilise the pan, but it'll only have bits of dirt and stuff in it anyway, not that bad. Alright. nice and easy. 400 grams, so yeah, it's a decent meal. And it just comes in this packet. So yeah, nice and simple, heat and eat. You're probably saying, oh, you should be cooking it from scratch. I know, maybe I should, but I've had this in the freezer for about 2 weeks, so I needed to cook it. There's deer just running in and out of the bush. Right. And we go with our meal. If anybody's wondering what I do with my rubbish, I always bring a rubbish bag. I take out everything with me and I never leave a trace. So no rubbish comments, please. Go. Nice and easy dinner. Oh, that's nice and cold. Just keep leaving that out in the rain. It'll get a nice chill on it. Right, this is just about done. Let it sizzle for another minute. Oh. Fork. Okay, dinner is served. Oh, we can't forget our beverage. Gotta get that handy. Happy days, everyone.